I'm Harley. I'm currently an analytics specialist, working currently in the private sector. Previously I've worked in the public sector as well. I've worked on a whole broad range of data projects, everything from, say, billing, customer experience, finance, data privacy, even things a little bit more niche such as wellness analytics as well. Last year, I had an absolutely fantastic time attending the Difinity Conference. I was one of those guys, sitting in the front row of the seats, hearing all these amazing speakers, seeing all of these moments that just made me go, wow, it gave me a really new, fresh, perspective on everyday sort of things. This year, it's going to be my turn. I'm going to be presenting at Difinity this year. Over the course of the last 12 months or so, something that has really, been quite important to me is this importance of your most important asset, your time. Now, all of us have the same amount of heartbeats, as you may have seen of some of those famous ads. It's all about how you actually use them. Now, this isn't necessarily about telling me how you use your time, but rather trying to give you back more time. So let's say that you've recently been in a project where, say, you've done a really, really good job. You've made an amazing dashboard. It's used by hundreds of people throughout the country. Unfortunately, your reward might be that you actually get quite a lot of questions coming your way. Now, it's a little bit of a hard thing to initially think because you want to actually help those stakeholders. You want them to keep using the data. But at the same time, you want to have that time. You want to have your life. What I'm going to be presenting to you at this conference is first of all trying to work out some sort of way to actually get some of those loudstakers involved in the design process of trying to make the solution for this. Now, we're not going to be making a terms and conditions page. How many of us actually read those on a daily basis? We're not going to be making you a slide deck that anyone, well, let's be honest, does anyone actually want to be going through a million slides? I don't know if you do either. What we're going to be doing is creating you a simple bot. Now, in terms of how you're going to be doing it, we're going to be talking through some of the characters, like this guy who you might meet along the way. We're also going to be basically showing you how to actually make one live in the session. I had an amazing time at last year's Difinity Conference. Can't wait to present at this year's one, and I hope that you will join me.